Hi everyone, Monisha here. In this video, I will be completing the next remaining questions, that is from question 6 to question 10. In exercise 3.2, there is a total of 21 questions. In this episode, I will be completing the next 5 questions of it. Let us start the session. Moving on to the question number 6 of exercise 3.2. Here, cos theta into the first matrix, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into second matrix, sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. We need to simplify this. So this shows we have to multiply this one. Okay. So cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into minus sin theta is minus sin theta into cos theta, and cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Here sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Sin theta into cos theta is minus sin theta into cos theta. Here sin theta into cos theta is sin theta into cos theta, and sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Now we have to add these two things. Okay, since addition symbol is there, we have to add all the consecutive positions to that same position of the next matrices. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here cos theta into sin theta, plus into minus is minus sin theta into cos theta. So here minus sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. So minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta will become 1, and cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta cancels each other. Here sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta also cancels each other. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay. So here it will be 0, here it will be 0, and this will be 1, because from trigonometric identities cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 7th question, there are two sub questions in 7th one. The first one is x plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5 and x minus y is equal to 3, 0 and 0, 3. We have to find out the value of x and y. Okay. So let us take the first one as equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. So let this be equation 1, and the second one, that is x minus y is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3, and let this be equation 2. So first let us add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. So LHS will be adding to the LHS of the second equation. So x plus y plus x minus y is equal to RHS will be adding to the RHS of second equation. So that is 7, 0, 2, 5, the first matrix, plus 3, 0, 0, 3. So here plus y and minus y get cancels. X plus x is 2x. 2x is equal to, here we have to add the element of the same position. So 7 plus 3, 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0 and 5 plus 3. So 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So since we have to find out the value of x, we have to take or shift this 2 to this side. So since it is 2 into x, when we shift it, it will become divided by. So x is equal to 1 by 2 into 10, 0, 2, 8. So next we have to divide each and every element in the matrix by 2. That is 10 by 2, 0 by 2, 2 by 2 and 8 by 2. So 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So 2 by 0 will be 0. So the value of X matrix is 5, 0, 1 and 4. So this is the value of matrix X. So since we got the X matrix, we have to find out the value of Y matrix. Okay. So for that we have to equate this X matrix in either equation 1 or equation 2. Here I will be taking equation 1. So equation 1 is X plus Y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. So we know that the X matrix value is 5, 0, 1, 4 plus Y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. So in order to get the Y matrix, we need to shift this matrix to right hand side. Okay. So when I shift it, it will become negative. So 7, 0, 2, 5. So when I will be shifting this to right hand side, it will become minus 5, 0, 1, 4. So Y is equal to, we have to subtract the each and element in the same position. So 7 minus 5, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 1 and 5 minus 4. Therefore, the Y value will become 7 minus 5 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So the value of Y matrix is 2, 0, 1, 1. I hope you understood this. The second question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. Here also we need to find the value of x and y. Okay. So for this, let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. So I will be multiplying number 2 to equation 1 and multiply number 3 to equation 2. So 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 into the first matrix 2, 3, 4, 0. In the same way, 3 into 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. So when we multiply this, it will become 4x plus 6y is equal to, we have to multiply each and every element inside the matrix by 2. So it will become 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 into 0, 0. So here 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6y is equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are minus 6, 3 minus 3 and 3 5s are 15. So now let this be equation 3 and equation 4. So now what we have to do is we need to subtract equation 4 by equation 3. So first we need to write this equation. So 4x plus 6y minus this one 9x plus 6y is equal to 4, 6, 8, 0 minus 6 minus 6 minus 3, 15. So here it will become 4x plus 6y minus 9x minus 6y is equal to, here we have to subtract each element of the same position. So 4 minus 6, 6 minus of minus 6, 8 minus of minus 3 and 0 minus 15. So here plus 6y and minus 6y get cancels. So 4x minus 9x is minus 5x is equal to 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 6 minus and minus like signs means we have to add it. So 6 plus 6, next 8 plus 3 minus and minus like sign means we need to add it, and 0 minus 15 is minus 15. So minus 5x is equal to minus 2, 6 plus 6, 12, 8 plus 3, 11 and minus 15. Since we need the value of x, we need to shift minus 5 to right hand side. So it will become divided by, that is 1 by minus 5 into minus 2, 12, 11 and minus 15. we need to divide each and every element inside the matrix by minus 5. So the value of x will be minus 2 by minus 5, 12 by minus 5, 11 by minus 5 and minus 15 by minus 5. So here minus get cancels, here minus get cancels and 5 ones are 5 threes are. So the value of x will become 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 3. So this is the value of first matrix, that is x matrix. So let this be equation 5. So now we have to substitute this x matrix into first equation or second equation to find out the value of the y. Okay, let us continue it. Let us continue the seventh sum. Here the equation 1 and equation 2 I have written. We have already got the value for x matrix. We have to substitute it in the x of either equation 1 or 2 and find out the value of y matrix. Okay, so here I will be using equation 1. So 2 into, in the place of x we have to include this matrix, 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 3 plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. So next we have to multiply each and every element inside the matrix by 2. So 2 2s are 4 by 5. 2 into minus 12 is minus 24 by 5. 2 into minus 11 is minus 22 by 5. And 2 into 3 is 6. Plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. So since we have to find out the value of y, we need to shift this matrix to right hand side. So it will become 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 minus 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5 and 6. So 3y is equal to, here we need to subtract each and every element of first and the second matrix of the same position. So 2 minus 4 by 5, 3 minus of minus 24 by 5, 4 minus of minus 22 by 5 and 0 minus 6. So 3y is equal to, here when we take the LCM, so it will become 2 by 1. So 5 is the LCM here. So it will become 5 2s are 10 minus 4 by 5. Here minus into minus is plus. So again the LCM if we take 5 3s are 15 minus into minus plus 24 by 5. Here 5 4s are 20. Again minus and minus become plus 22 by 5 and 0 minus 6. So 3y is equal to 10 minus 4, 6 by 5, 15 plus 24, 39 by 5. So 20 plus 22, 42 by 5 and 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Since we have to find out the value of y, we have to shift this 3 to right hand side. So when we shift it, it will become divided by. So y is equal to 1 by 3 into 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5 and minus 6. So we have to divide each and every term by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 and 6 by 5. Here 1 by 3 into 39 by 5. Here 1 by 3 into 42 by 5 and 1 by 3 into minus 6. So 3 2s are, here 3 13s are, 3 14s are and 3 2s are. So the value of y matrix is 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. So this is the value of y matrix. That is 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. We already got matrix X and matrix Y. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 8th question of this session. Here Y matrix has been given, that is 3, 2, 1, 4, and another matrix with the equation 2x plus y is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So we need to find out the value of x. Since y is given, we need to find out the value of x here. So let this be equation 1 and let this be 2. So here, since y is there, we have to substitute this y matrix to the place of y. So 2x plus, in the place of y, we have to include this matrix, that is 3, 2, 1, 4 is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So since we have to find out this x value, I will be shifting this matrix to right hand side. So 2x is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, 4. So 2x is equal to 1 minus 3, 0 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 4. So 2x is equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0 minus 2 is again minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 and 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So next, since we need the value of x, we need to shift to this side. So it will become divided by minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 2. So we need to divide each and every element in the matrix by 2. So minus 2 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 4 by 2 and minus 2 by 2. So 1s are, this will be 2s are and again 1s are. So the value of x matrix is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. So I hope you understood this. Moving on to the ninth question. The ninth question is find x and y if 2 into 130x plus y012 is equal to 5618. Okay. Here we need to find out the value of x and also y. So let us write out the question once again. y012 is equal to 5618. So first we have to multiply each and every element by 2. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into x is 2x plus y012 is equal to 5618. Now we have to add these two matrices. The same position of the elements has to be added. So 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1 and 2x plus 2 is equal to 5618. So here 2 plus y, 6, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 2x plus 2 is equal to 5618. Since 6 and 1 is same here, we have to substitute this value to this. Okay, we have to equate it so that we have to find out the value of x and y. So first I will be equating 2 plus y is equal to 5. So 2 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 2. Therefore, the value of y is 3. The value of y is 3. In the same way, we have to equate this equation with 8. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. 2x is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. So 2 3s are. Therefore, the value of x is 3. So the value of x and y is 3. Now the matrix will become, so here it will be 3, 6, 1 and also 3. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 10th question and the last question of this session. So here we have to solve for all x, y, z and t. If the equation is like this, we have to find the matrix of each and everything. Okay, we have to find the value for each and every factor which are given here. Okay, so first we have to multiply the first matrix with 2 and the second one with 3 and also this one with 3. Okay, so it will become 2x, 2z, 2z, 2y and 2t. So plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 3, 0 and 6 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 3 6 are 18. So next, since addition symbol is there, we need to add each and every element of first and the second matrix. So it will become 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0 and 2t plus 6 is equal to 9, 15, 12 and 18. Now we need to equate each and every element of first matrix with the second one. Okay, so first one, it will become 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So x is equal to 3. So second one is 2z minus 3. So 2z minus 3 equating to 15. So 2z is equal to 15 plus 3. So 2z is equal to 15 plus 3 is 18. So z is equal to 18 divided by 2. So z is equal to 9. So 2 9s are 18. So we got the value for 9. Next, third one. So I'll be taking this one, 2y. So that is 2y plus 0 is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. So here 2y plus 0 is nothing but 2y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So y is equal to 6. Next, last one. That is 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. 2t is equal to 18 minus 6. 2t is equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. So t is equal to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So t is equal to 6. So we got the value for x, that is 3, and y, that is 6, z, that is 9, and finally t, that is 6. So I hope you understood this. So this was the last question of this episode, question number 10. In my next video, I will be completing the next few questions which are in exercise 3.2. So if you have any suggestions, queries or comments about my video, please comment in the comment section below. So Monisha Bhutan signing off.